Hi, I'm Bernina quilting expert Amanda Murphy, and I'm excited to share some fantastic news with you about an upcoming event at Montavilla Sewing Center, happening from April 24th to 26th of 2025. I'll be teaching an inspiring class on quilting techniques that are applicable whether you're using a sit-down long arm, a long arm on a frame, or even a domestic machine. You'll create a stunning trapunto design while elevating your quilting skills. Get ready to bring your creativity because I'll be showing you some game-changing tips and tricks to create beautiful, detailed work with ease. This will be my second year at Montavilla Sewing Center, but it's my first time teaching this amazing technique. I can't wait to share it with you. Be sure to explore the other exciting classes offered during this multi-day event and sign up soon. Spots are filling fast.